Theta United States dollar medium-term support basically remained at 92 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The very current exchanging volume of Theta organization in every practical sense is at $20,497,457, which in a real sense is very critical. Theta organization basically is buy and buy esteemed at 63 cents. Bears control Thetas in every way that really matters, current cost activities in a sort of significant manner. 18 August 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these much of the time, sort of gotten clarification on some things, facts. What really is exceptionally transient cost expectation for Theta organization, in every way that really matters? Is Theta by and large wise interest in a kind of huge manner? Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so forth. However, prior to jumping especially profound into the Theta specialized examination, in a real sense, let us in a real sense discuss the fundamentally current economic situations in an exceptionally significant manner. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole cryptographic money market to $1,053,100,425,532 in a quite huge manner. The sort of complete exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $71,015,534,287, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 48.22% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33% in a by and large significant manner, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,100.98 level after a decay of 8.17%. So the by and large all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $71,015,534,287, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value lessening of 6.02%, coming to $1,668.26 during the past 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin shares 48.22% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $217.42 following a value change of 5.26% within a similar time span, exhibiting how Theta United States dollar medium-term support explicitly remained at 92 cents. Which in a real sense is genuinely huge. XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP generally, is somewhere near 13.42, and at present exchanging at 51 cents, showing how Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they especially thought. These occasions in every practical sense show that the market essentially is going in a descending heading for in every way that really matters, momentary in a genuinely significant way. Right now, a by and large broad for the most part regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing that as of now, a general sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which basically is genuinely critical. Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally recognize sort of key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, which basically is very huge. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become in every way that really matters more kind of dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in every practical sense further appearance. How these occasions certainly demonstrate that the market especially is going in a descending bearing for pretty present moment, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which merchants truly become move commonly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of Theta organization, Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, in a real sense is at 63 cents, down 5.81% in the very beyond 24 hours, and for the most part, has a value change of 14.63% throughout the week, so support all things considered, is a level at which purchasers truly become genuinely more truly dynamic, and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Sort of additional appearance. How these occasions explicitly show that the market basically is going in an extremely descending heading for fundamentally present moment, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC all things considered is 20,497,457.00 United States dollars, while by and large absolute market cap came to $633,627,695 United States dollars, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. There especially are very nearly 1 billion, generally are available for use out of 1 billion, exhibiting how following explicitly are the help and opposition levels of Theta organization. Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta fundamentally is at 63 cents, down 5.81% in the sort of beyond 24 hours and by and large has a value change of 14.63% over the course of the week. So support truly is a level at which purchasers truly become genuinely more sort of dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Sort of additional appearance how these occasions for the most part show that the market especially is going in a for the most part descending heading for commonly present moment, which certainly is very huge. Theta organization value examination Theta cost investigation for 18 August 2023, insight and in every practical sense, day-to-day time period, especially made sense of underneath, showing how XRP the truly local coin of XRP especially, is somewhere near 13.42. And as of now exchanging at 51 cents, showing how Theta organization support and opposition levels and so on. We utilize truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving pretty normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving really normal, EMA to essentially dissect the future development of the Theta organization in an especially significant manner. The Theta United States dollar moving commonly normal union and difference, MACD, marker in a real sense, is showing a fundamentally present moment generally sell most certainly signal, as the MACD line in a real sense is moving underneath really signal line which truly implies, explicitly bears sort of are ruling on the lookout, or so they basically thought. RSI inferring oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and basically is attempting to break out of the negative zone while featuring enormous negative strength, showing that right now, and in every practical sense, general especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that as of now, a very broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they especially thought. The Theta organization explicitly has certainly break all its in a real sense upholds levels, and things especially are not looking especially great for the crypto market, so support in every practical sense is a level at which